Hello guys, so August 13th, what happened in history? So this is a new initiative and we are discussing importance of this day because UPSC questions are coming, factual questions are coming on each day. Okay, so August 13th is World Organ Donation Day and also August 13th is International Left-Handers Day. Okay, so like this Right-Handers Day, I don't know whether such a day exists or not, but these two are the important days which happened on or which is like celebrated or commemorated on August 13th. And then again, the other important things, Germany, in modern Germany, not the old German unification and other things which you study in world history, the modern Germany also during the Cold War time between USA and Russia, Germany was divided into two, like the West Germany and East Germany, and so you can tell Berlin, the capital of Germany, like it was divided. So there was a wall actually being constructed, physically a wall was being constructed between the West Germany, which is under the US support, and East Germany, which is under the Soviet Union support, and so they built a wall, which later in 1994, I think they demolished also, and that's how now Germany is one country, but it happened in August 13th, 1961. Okay, so that one in historical event also happened. Okay, don't confuse this with the older one, okay, which is the 19th century, that is 1860s and all those days we had the Berlin and the German unification. That is different thing, this is different thing. Okay, and then three important personalities death anniversary is on August 13th, okay, which you will study in your spectrum textbook also. So one is Queen Ahalyabai Holkar, who died on August 13, 1795. So she was a notable Indian queen of the Maratha, you can tell, Malwa central area. So she celebrated for her wise and just governance as well as her contributions to social and architectural development. And she is often referred like her timeline, it was like the period of stability, progress and compassion. Now another person who died on the same day is Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing, died in London in the 90s age, you can tell. And then she is she was a British nurse, social reformer, statistician, best known for this modernizing of the nursing and healthcare reforms, you can tell. Okay, so she's like a trained professional in that sector, and so she is very famous in history textbooks, it's given. Okay, Florence Nightingale. Then another one more person is Bikaji Kama. She also died, an Indian woman, patriot, revolutionary, you can tell. She died on the same day, August 13, 1936. So she, most important thing is she designed India's kind of first flag design, you can tell, which is raised in Germany on 22nd August 1907. She raised this flag. So her death anniversary is on August 13th. So she had designed a flag with green, yellow and orange, green, yellow and red. Okay, green is for, I think, Islam, and yellow is for Hinduism, and red for red for Buddhism. And in the center yellow part, I think Vande Mataram was written. So that flag and all we have taught you while teaching you spectrum. So these are the important things of August 13. Like this, every day we will try to give you more and more information. If you are serious about UPSC preparation, all these kind of facts which is needed, all the prelims and mains things, everything will be there in our test series. And tomorrow, August 15th, Independence Day, most of the installments and EMI schemes, like 4 months you can pay. Okay, it's not like one-time payment, 4 months you can pay. That and all will end tomorrow. So if you missed it, WhatsApp number is given. Please contact. Thank you and have a nice day.